Welcome to day 9 of my 30-day body transformation challenge. I am Scott McLaughlin. I haven't eaten today yet. I might have some dinner. If I do, I'll put that in the diet section after this. I finally figured out that I probably should be standing against the wall each day. It only took me about a week to figure that out, but that way I'm in more of the same position. This is how I look on day 9. Today I'm going to show you a little exercise. It works under here. And you don't need any weights or anything, you just go like this, right? Put your arms out to the side and then bring them up like this and push them back. Push them back, push them back, and then go like this. You'll be surprised at how you feel like you're working out just doing this. Push them back, push them back. See if it works them back. And now I'm going to do some wall push-ups. Now you just go back or close to the wall as you want, or as far back as you want, and the further back you go, the more difficult it is. But depending on how much strength you feel like you have, that's how far back you can go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's about all the working out I'm going to do today. Day 9. Today I've been working on a new channel where I found this 5-day to make your first $100 offer online. Free course. I'll leave the link in the description for a free course on how to do that. Any support is greatly appreciated. Thank you so much. Okay, this is day 9. This is what I'm having for dinner tonight. I get these Trader Joe's organic roasted vegetable pizzas. They're actually quite delicious. If you've never tried them, they're only about $5 at Trader Joe's. And then I'm going to drop a couple of chicken sausages from Costco on there. A lot of times I'll just cut them up, but this time I got a little idea that I'll just cook it in the toaster oven there for about 8 or 9 minutes, and then I wrap it up like a burrito. Normally I'd eat that whole thing myself, but on my body transformation I'm gonna cut it in half, and that's why I saved the wrapper it came in, and I just put half of it in there for tomorrow. So I'll show you what it looks like once it comes out of the toaster oven. So there it is, all cooked. And then I have a taste of kimchi to help with the digestion, get some probiotics and enzymes. One other thing I want to talk to you guys about: when you're fasting or trying to eat less, it helps if you keep busy, or if you're working on projects or something like that, or just working, whatever, and then you can get so busy that you don't even really think about eating as much. And the other thing is, like right now, I could eat that other half of that pizza, but if you eat and then you don't eat as much as you want, then just wait and you'll start to feel more full. So there's a couple little tips I could give you about that. Okay, thank you so much for your support, and talk to you guys tomorrow.